Look at these infographics. And guess what? I created each of these using Gemini with just a single prompt. And in this video, I'll show you how to do the same for free. All this is possible thanks to the new Nano Banana update available within Gemini. The big change is that it handles lots of text properly, so you get clean outputs without typos. Let me walk you through the exact prompt I used to build infographics, how to adapt it for your topic and audience, and a trick to make it work for other languages too. First, visit Google Gemini. You have two options here. You can paste your own data, or you can ask Gemini to generate it for you. Let's try the latter. I'm going to type create a list of 10 classroom rules for kindergarten classrooms. Okay, we have our list. Now, to turn this into a visual, we need a specific prompt structure. Here is what you need to type. Just replace the brackets with your own details. Define the type of visuals you wish. Your audience, the infographics aspect ratio, and the information to be presented. For our classroom rules, I'll tell it create an infographic based on the above information, accompanied by relevant visuals appropriate for students 9 to 16. After you have done that, enable the Nano Banana option here and hit Generate. And check this out, this is not just a visually appealing infographic. The text is flawless and the visuals are consistent. What more could we ask for? Just imagine the possibilities. Teachers can create step-by-step visuals for classroom routines. Researchers can turn their papers into visual summaries for presentations. Marketeers can build quick comparison charts or how it works explainers. And it also works in other languages. I'll paste the same classroom rules in Greek this time and just ask Gemini to translate the infographic for me. Alternatively, you can use the same prompt I showed you earlier and ask Gemini to generate the infographic in the language of your choice. The result is clean again. Nice! All the text is in Greek and the layout still holds. Flawless result as expected. At this point, I'm a bit of a Google fanboy. Once you're happy with your creation, you can download it by clicking the button right here. And that's how you get instant, usable infographics with one prompt. If you want to go further and see the advanced Gemini tricks I use in my own workflow, watch the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!